Now I don't do drugs. Chronic ain't a cure-all. They say you could get hooked on it. Maybe it ain't for all. Maybe it ain't your call. Maybe it ain't so great. Maybe it's excellent, homie. I ain't so great, man. I did it so late. I was almost 30. Truthfully, I was scared since there. I thought it hurt me. Truthfully,
Hey, what's up guys, this is Prabhakar here from Gfx. Hope you're doing great. I'm back with a video. So today I'm going to show you how to play PUBG smoother without any lag on an Android phone. Most of the people use mid-range smartphone. It doesn't give that great performance when it comes to PUBG gaming. You just need that extra boost. So to get that extra boost, I found an application called Gfx Tool which will help you to get that extra boost on your phone, which will help you to play PUBG smoother. So now let's see how this application works. So without further ado, let's get started.
So the first step, click on the link which I have given in the description down below. You will be able to download the Gfx tool which I talked about earlier in the video. Once downloaded, install it like any other application in your phone. Once installed, open and give all the permission it asks and do what I do. Once you reach on the main screen where you have to tweak settings. Now follow me. Select game variant. If you don't know what version of PUBG are you using, just go to Play Store and search for PUBG and click on read more, and then if you scroll down you will see the version of PUBG you are using. After selecting the game variant, then select game resolution to 960 by 540 QHD. Don't select too high, and now tap on FPS and select 60 FPS and disable shadow. Now don't enable zero lag battery efficient option because it will make gaming experience bad. It reduces game graphics to extreme low and looks bad, so it's better don't select. You can try if you want to. Now click on apply and run the game. Now you will see a lot of difference in terms of playing the PUBG game smoother and doesn't get lag. Let me show you side by side comparison of before using Gfx tool and after using Gfx tool. You will be able to see a lot of difference. So this is it. This is how you can play PUBG smoother.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If you hated it, you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button on below and the bell icon too, so that you get notified whenever I upload a video on my channel. Till next time, this is Prabhakar from Gfx signing off. Guys, have a great day.